With JFK's assassination came LBJ's inauguration, ambitious anti-poverty in the middle of economic opportunity, dozens of programs popping, the poor began shopping, LBJ pulling through with the healthcare, establishing Medicare and Medicaid, providing the poor with health and aid, putting quotas on immigration. We saw a rise in major population. With environment coming to a low, the pesticides started to glow. Passing the Go Green laws, now looking for other flaws. You have the right to remain quiet, no need to get violent. That will be held against. Let's hope you got a good defense. The new left brought movements and ideals. It had a very domestic appeal. Hippies dressing in tie-dye while they're looking for Mary. Instead of getting educated, decided to get medicated. They were free-flowing and easygoing, with sex on the rapid rise. So were those STDs. The loveless marriages brought many carriages. The 60s was a bit trippy, chilling with the hippies and the guy who shot Kennedy. Man, we did a lot. Looking at Camelot to Woodstock.